Doorbell.
Doorbell!
Coming!
Oh, hi. Thanks for bringing him over.
Oh, no problem. Hey, guess what?
Herb, why don't we let Jake tell him?
Tell me what?
Jake?
My grades aren't good enough for military school, so ha-ha.
No, sweetheart, the other thing.
Oh, I'm gonna have a little brother or sister.
You're pregnant?
Yes, Alan, Herb and I are going to have a baby.
Congratulations. Try to keep this one away from the lead paint.
Did you hear that, Alan? They've only been back together 6 weeks and they're gonna have a baby.
I heard.
Come on in. We'll pop a bottle of champagne. Champagne.
No, we really should be going. Come on, Herb. Goodbye.
Oh, shoot. What a remarkable coincidence.
Yeah, coincidence.
You okay?
No.
Come on, let's sit you down.
Yeah. Let's sit me down.
Here you go, buddy.
Here I go.
What's wrong with him?
He's doing math in his head.
Oh, yeah, that's a bitch.